Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your display name in Zoom application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Zoom application, and here, as you can see, I have created a virtual meeting. And if we want to change our display name, we can go to the participants option, this one. Then you have to click on your name. This is my name. Click on it, and then here we have option to change our display name. This one, this rename option. Click on this option and you can change your display name as you want right here, like this. And after you're done, you just need to click on OK. All right, and now my display name has been changed, as you can see. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our display name in a Zoom application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.